blueberries, and strawberries.
Yeah. So first you take 2 ripe bananas.
And it goes tweet tweet. And you peel it.
Yeah.
Grab a knife. Knife.
And then
And you chop it up.
Like
Don't
that.
cut your fingers.
Yeah, that would be not smart. Might want to chop it up a little smaller there.
Yeah, you might want to use like a butter knife, whatever you call it. A whatchamacallit
So you
knife.
don't chop your hands off.
A whatchamacallit knife? That's what I said. After you cut the bananas up, you plop in the blender.
I like plop and bottom.
In the blender. Plop, plop.
Ploppity plop plop.
Plop, 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 plop. Plop. Next, plop, plop, plop. Plop. Okay. Next, we take the strawberry and the blueberries. Chop them up, and then you would pour